Today, you will learn how to total a column in Word Table. First, click in the empty cell at the bottom of the column where you want the total to appear. Now, click the Table Layout tab at the top. Then select Formula. Word will automatically enter equals sum above, which adds all the numbers above that cell. If you want, choose a number format, such as currency or decimal, from the number format list, then click OK. Your column total will appear instantly. If you also want to calculate each row first, click in the Total cell for that row, go to Table Layout, click Formula, replace the formula with equals product left to multiply the values on the left, choose a number format, and click OK. Repeat this for the remaining rows because Word doesn't fill formulas automatically. One important thing to remember is that if you change any numbers later, the total will not update by itself. Simply right-click the total and choose Update Field to refresh the result. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.